Hello guys, so welcome back to another vlog and ayan, for today we're going to train. So and progress report, I'm trying to join futsal teams. Dalawang team natin i-message pero um, we got rejected. Medyo malayo din kasi and ongoing na yung season, so hopefully next season you can join a different team. So for now, focus muna tayo ng 11 aside. Um, ang liga matagal pa. So I'm trying to find teams sa ang liga. In the meantime, I'm with my current team sa Acacia. So ongoing yung season namin. We played last Sunday. So yeah, first win against Manila All Japan, first game namin. I played as a left, no, I played as a right back ng first half and then attacking mid no second half. So I was able to play I think 80 minutes, no? And we got the 3-0 win. Now we're going to train. So I'm training with Renz, prepared din siya for UAP tryouts and also naglaro din siya sa Acacia League. So yeah, we're going to train, going to prepare kasi this week we will have another 11 aside game and we will join a 7 aside tournament, one day tournament. So yeah, pakita ko sa inyo guys yung training.
Ayan, so start nung drill namin. Ito yung warm up. Nag-dynamic stretches kami, hindi ko na pinakita. Pero ito, some ball feeling lang for our warm up. Next is agility and footwork. Ayan, so salitan lang kami. We're trying to train yung footwork ni Renz, lalo na defender siya. Mahalaga yung footwork for a defender and some agility as well. So hindi naman kami all out dito, more of warm up din, pero at the same time working na rin sa aming coordination, agility and balance.
Side shuffle palikod. Lower. Forward, backward lang. Left,
And so next is reaction time drill,
right,
working on our footwork and agility din.
left,
So and sabihin lang namin left or right, tapos kailangan namin i-touch yung cone.
right,
So first variation, ginawa namin yan, side step.
right,
Tapos second variation, opposite. So if I say right, kailangan i-touch yung left cone. And then third variation is cross step naman. So kailangan mabilis yung reaction time namin dito and maayos yung footwork and balance.
left. Go. Left. Left. Right. Right. Left. Right. Left. Left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. 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 Right.
Right.
Left. Nice one. Left. Nice one. Left. Nice one. Right. Nice one. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right.
Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. Left. Right. 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 Left. Right.
And so next drill, this works naman on our fitness, agility, touches on the ball, and so meron tayong first touch passes, and receiving the ball, and some dribbling. Okay, so ang gagawin lang, and high knees sa cone, one touch, tuloy-tuloy yon until sabihin ng server left or right. So if he says left, we need to open up sa left side and then turn, dribble sa cone sa gitna, and then pabalik, 1v1 move against those 3 cones, and then back ulit dun sa high knees, one touch, tuloy-tuloy yon. So we do this until maka 6 na turns and then switch. So we did this for 2 sets.
Inside. Marcus play. Go. Right. Good dodge. Dodge. Oy, Tio. Nice warm up, guys. Pagod. Napaupo. Napaupo.
Sakat ng legs ko. Bigla.
Uy. Uy. You know, not touch. Marcus chop. Marcus chop. Ah!
Left.
Uy! What a touch! Ah! Last one na to. Sige. Oh, ayusin mo. Good. Oh, ayusin mo. Ay, ayusin mo, ayusin mo. Go. Cross, last two. Left. Last touch. Para tapos, last one. Ay, ano yun? Go.
And so finally, we did 1v1, attacking and defending. Small-sided siya. So may goal, big goal. We're working on trying to set up a shot or defending a shot in 1v1 scenarios na, and pang 7 aside.
Game. Ah! Game. Go to 3.5. Ah. 1.5 go.
Unfortunately, na-injured si Renz midway kasi medyo malubak yung field dito sa forestry. So, sumali yung girlfriend ko. Late na siyang sumali. Pero we did 1v1s, tapos di ko na na-record. Pero tumakbo pa kami ng 2K run with changes of direction yon na 20 meter shuttles. Anyway, that's it for today's video. If nag-enjoy kayo, like and subscribe. And I also show my trainings on the next days. Peace.